Hey, it's David from Site3D here, and I'm going to show you how to add in a permeable paving object in Site3D. Here we have a path or driveway that we want to convert to permeable paving. How to do this is we go to the Drainable Area tools and we click on the New Permeable Paving. In here we can then digitize out a shape as we need it, or we can right click and choose either like New Line, Select Line, or even select Path or Drive. We're going to select the object here that we want to convert, so this is going to be the path 58 that we've got. And now it's added in our permeable paving object with 252 meters squared of area. The next thing it's waiting for us to do is select which node or which manhole that will be assigned to. So it assigns it to a manhole, not a conduit. We can say S13, click that one, and you can see the link will show you that it's connected to that one here via this blue arrow. We can then go to the properties of this object and go to the drainable area properties and select it, and we can see the drainable area type is permeable paving. We can change that to a rainfall catchment if we wanted to. We can change it back, we can change the color, and we can also change the name of it. If you want to see the additional properties, go and click this button here, and then you can see all of the information that's in here. So just to run down a few of these things, so we have the curb height, that is the height of the curb above the road surface or above the pavement surface, and that'll allow us to pool water on top of it should we need to. We have the surface roughness for that as well. We have the pavement layer, this thickness here. This is the thickness of the actual pavement in blocks, and then we have the permeability rate going through them. For the soil layer, so if you have sort of bedding layer underneath those, then we have the thickness of that and its conductivity rate, so that will determine how fast the water percolates through. Then we have the storage layer underneath. This is where the majority of the water would be stored. We have a thickness or depth of that. We then have a seepage rate. So if you want it to infiltrate into the surrounding grounds, you can set in an appropriate seepage rate here. And then you have the optional underdrain as well. So if your system does connect out, then we can put in that connection to the node outside. In here we then have things like pipe diameter and pipe length, and that would be the length of pipe that is underneath the actual permeable paving. So yeah, all we need to do is click OK, come out of this, and then we can see that we have our permeable paving object set in. Now you may want to assign more areas to this, so to do that you'd use another drainable area. So I've got one here, I may want to assign this area to fall onto here. To do this we can use the assign to option like we have done before with assigning this to another conduit. Select the area you want to assign to the permeable paving, and then select the permeable paving object itself. And now you can see that this entire area here has been assigned to the permeable paving 1 object, and you can see the connecting arrow pointing to this, and then it'll assign it through to the S13 like that. Thanks for watching.